Hello again and welcome to our 12th test and measurement video on today's amazing oscilloscopes. Our subject right now is the Tektronix MDO 3104 instrument. We're going to look at the extensive math functionality. First, the simple add, subtract, multiply, and divide operators. In a subsequent video, we'll examine the more complex features. To display the four simple math operations, two signals are required. We can display them in analog channels 1 and 2. A convenient way to do this is to connect B and C cables to the AFG outputs on the back of the instrument. The main AFG output should go to channel 1 and the auxiliary AFG output should go to channel 2. First on the agenda is to display the two waveforms, one in each channel. Press AFG and make sure the sine wave is selected. It will default to channel 1. For this project, we'll want a square wave displayed in channel 2. For this to happen, if necessary, press Output Settings along the last soft key at the bottom of the screen. Then, along the right side of the screen, press Auxiliary Output. This opens three alternatives. Use multipurpose knob A to select AFG. If necessary, press Auto Set and clear the menu by pushing Menu Off 3 times. You should have a sine wave shown in yellow on channel 1 at the top of the screen and a square wave shown in blue at the bottom of the screen. Now we're ready to do some math. As you would expect, the next step is to press Math, the first of the 5 buttons directly above the analog channel 1 port. The dual waveform math menu appears at the bottom. Notice that the first source, controlled by multipurpose knob A, is channel 1, and the second source, controlled by multipurpose knob B, is channel 2. You shouldn't have to do anything with these settings. The second soft key to the right of the display chooses the operator. In the dual waveform mode, there are add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Using the soft key as opposed to the multipurpose knobs, which are currently dedicated to other tasks, you can toggle through the operators. In all cases, the red trace is the result of the operation. As a further exercise, reverse the B and C connections at either the front or back of the instrument. Note what effect this has. Why are the subtract and divide operators affected, but not the add and multiply? Can the same modification be made by pressing dual waveform math and changing the sources? Is it necessary to press Auto Set? Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll look at the more complex math operators embedded in the Tektronix MDO 3104 circuitry.